Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Fantom chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area, highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.4839 mark, and there are high chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch my target areas in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that here on the chart I have this Elliot structure in yellow, where you can see that we bottomed out in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 2 within this yellow target area. And having seen the low for this wave 2, whatever we expected here on the long-term scenarios was the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And because of its impulsive nature, I also expected to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count that is giving me the short-term scenarios here on the Fantom chart, where you can see I have this Elliot wave structure in blue, where we have peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the wave 2. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the formation of this wave 3, which is also impulsive, and as a result of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, where you can see I have this Elliot wave structure in red, having that as the first wave, then a wave 2, and now the primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of that wave 3, and sketching out a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.5735 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Fantom to do here on the short-term scenarios. And for that move to also play out, there are key moves that I'm watching here on the charts. And the first one is a break above the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure right here, which lies at around the $0.4839 mark. And the moment we manage to break above the wave 1 high and continue holding above it, then there are high chances that we are going to continue gearing up and see a break above the key area of resistance at around the $0.5 mark before we can get a successful retest. And once the retest is in and a success, then we can continue gearing up to fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios here on the Fantom chart. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 71 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.